welcome to Food Flavor Factory. I am Zalari Mehta. Today we are going to make masala peanuts. Masala peanuts used in many different recipes like dabeli, bread slice, chaats and different recipes. So without wasting our times, we are going to make masala peanuts.